The Indian government has sanctioned a 20,000 crore rupees project for the development of next-generation airborne early warning and control (AEW&C) systems, marking a significant advancement in the Indian Air Force's IAF surveillance and command capabilities. Spearheaded by the Defence Research and Development Organisation (DRDO), the program, known as Netra Mark II, aims to enhance India's defence infrastructure by providing comprehensive aerial surveillance. The initiative involves the conversion of 6 Airbus A321 aircraft, previously acquired from Air India, into advanced airborne early warning and control platforms. These aircraft will undergo extensive modifications, including the integration of a dorsal-mounted radar system to ensure 360-degree coverage and improved detection capabilities. A key feature of the Netra Mark II is the incorporation of the indigenously developed Uttam Active Electronically Scan Array Radar. This radar system offers enhanced detection and tracking capabilities, enabling the IAF to monitor multiple targets simultaneously with greater accuracy. Additionally, the aircraft will be equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems, including electronic intelligence and communications intelligence capabilities, to bolster India's defence preparedness. The collaboration between DRDO and Airbus underscores India's commitment to self-reliance in defence technology. Airbus will utilize its facilities in Spain to modify the A321 aircraft, after which the aircraft will be returned to India for the integration of indigenous systems developed by DRDO. The Netra Mark II program is expected to be completed within 3 years, with the first operational aircraft projected to be inducted into service around 2026-27. This development not only strengthens India's defence capabilities but also positions the country among a select group of nations with indigenously developed airborne early warning and control systems. This strategic move is anticipated to enhance India's surveillance and command capabilities, providing a significant edge in both defensive and offensive operations. The successful implementation of the Netra Mark II program will contribute to regional stability and reinforce India's position in the global defense landscape.